Welcome to Learning at Trinity.
This is an opportunity to see the teachers, see photographs of our learning spaces, discover what we will be learning this year through our topics and discrete subjects. You can find out how you can help us at home and know how we will communicate with you this year.
Here is the P4 team. This is Miss McKinnon, Mrs. Walsh and Mrs. Lamb. We also have Miss Doyle, Miss Chalmers and Mrs. Jackson, who are working across the year group with various children.
Here are our learning spaces for this year. This is Mrs. Lamb's room, Mrs. Walsh's room and Miss McKinnon's room.
Here you can see the learning for Primary 4 over the year.
Home learning in P4 will be using Teams. Miss Chalmers is currently helping the children to access Teams, and there will also be guidance in their home learning jotter, including all of the logins that they will need for the various websites that we use. This term's focus is spelling and numeracy using 100 square.
How you can help at home. You can help your child with their number bonds, adding 10, 20, 50, 100. Help your child with their times tables, counting on and back, answer questions in a random order. You can enjoy a book, magazine, comic, recipe with your child. You can work on the tricky word list. Can they read them? Can they spell them? Use SumDog. Use the different ideas on Teams.
How you will know what your child is learning and what is happening in school. This year we are communicating through these means, mostly by Twitter, every day. We will be showing Superstars, the learning next week, and daily learning. We will also be sharing learning and the children's progress.
What's important in our school? At Trinity, we have 4 values: respect, perseverance, kindness, and creativity.
If you have any questions for the P4 team, you can email Kirsty Martin at kirsty.martin@trinity-pri.edin.uk.